Welcome to Big Foodies. Today we are cooking sabudana khichdi made with sago or tapioca pearls. This vegan and gluten-free dish is mostly eaten at the time of various festivals like Shivratri, Janmashtami, Durga Ashtami, etc. This khichdi recipe is extremely simple and yet so flavorful, and you can add a little lemon juice to give it a wonderful flavor and taste. Before checking the recipe, please subscribe to Big Foodies by pressing the subscribe button to get new recipes every week and never miss a video from Big Foodies, and hit the bell icon to get notifications about new recipes. Let's check the ingredients now to make sabudana khichdi for fasting for your family and friends. Hello friends, today we are making quick and easy sabudane ki khichdi with very few ingredients, and the khichdi will taste really delicious. For making the sabudane ki khichdi, we have taken 2 cups of sabudana. Sabudana is also called as tapioca sago or sago pearls in English language. So to make the sabudana khichdi, first we need to wash the sabudana 2 to 3 times with cold water. So we have washed the sabudana with cold water 2 to 3 times, and after washing it, we have added 2 cups of cold water to soak the sabudana, and we need to really soak it nicely in the cold water for at least 4 hours, or you can also soak it overnight. So after soaking it in the water, just cover it with a lid and don't touch it while soaking it. Just keep it covered for 4 hours and then we will check it after 4 hours. So friends, we have soaked the sabudana for sabudana khichdi for 5 hours, and you can see that how beautifully the sabudana is soaked. If you try to press one sabudana, it will press very easily. Just give it a mix. So the key to making a good sabudana khichdi is you need to soak it really nicely for 4 to 5 hours, or you can also soak it overnight. Once the sabudana is soaked nicely and is ready to cook, before cooking it, we will just mix all the spices and everything together. So first we will be adding the boiled potatoes, which we have chopped nicely in small pieces. So we are adding about 4 medium-sized potatoes in this sabudana khichdi. Add the salt as per your taste. We are using the sendha salt because during fasting we use sendha salt instead of regular salt. It is also called as fasting salt in some places. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder or as per your taste. Add the green chilies as per your taste. Just mix everything well. So when we mix the spices and everything together for sabudana khichdi like this before frying it, it really helps in blending the spices and the flavors of the green chili inside the sabudana and the potatoes very well, and the sabudana khichdi really tastes delicious. So the sabudana khichdi and the spices are mixed really nicely, and we will just keep it aside for 5 minutes so that the salt and the spices are soaked nicely in the sabudana and potatoes. Then we will fry it. Before frying the khichdi, just keep the peanut powder ready. So to prepare the peanut powder, you just need to dry roast the peanuts on a medium flame, and after dry roasting it, you just need to peel it, and after peeling it, just coarsely grind it in the grinder. So after grinding the dry roasted peanuts, we will get the coarsely ground powder of the peanuts like this, and we'll be using this coarsely ground powder while frying the khichdi. It really gives an amazing taste to the khichdi. If you want, you can also add the whole peanuts, but instead of whole peanuts, this coarsely ground powder of peanuts really gives a delicious taste to the khichdi. So we have kept the khichdi mix for 5 minutes. So now let's fry the khichdi. So to fry the khichdi in a broad pan, we have taken 4 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. Once the ghee is hot, add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds or jeera. Roast the cumin seeds until golden brown. Once the cumin seeds are roasted nicely, add the khichdi. Keep the flame on medium low while adding the khichdi. Mix it well. So we are not going to use the turmeric powder for khichdi. Some people like to use the turmeric powder to give it a nice yellow color, but we don't eat the turmeric powder during fasting. So that's why we don't add the turmeric powder while making the khichdi. Mix it really well and cook it on a medium low flame for at least 15 to 20 minutes so that the sabudana are cooked really nicely and becomes soft. So make sure that you're cooking it on a low flame and give it a stir every 5 minutes so that just to make sure that the khichdi is not sticking to the bottom of the pan. So after 5 minutes we are checking the khichdi. Just give it a stir. The key to cooking a nice and tasty sabudana khichdi is you really need to cook it nicely and keep steaming it on a low flame, that it really gives a nice flavor and taste. So after 5 minutes of cooking it, we'll be adding the ground powder of the peanuts that we have prepared. So we'll be adding about 4 to 5 tablespoons of ground peanut powder. You can adjust this powder as per the taste you want in the khichdi, but 4 to 5 tablespoons gives really a nice taste. Just don't add too much, just a little bit gives a really nice taste and crunchy flavor to the khichdi. So adding the peanut powder gives a nice crunch to the khichdi. Mix it really well. Now cover it with a lid and cook it on a low flame for 15 minutes. And keep stirring it occasionally in between. So we have been cooking the khichdi for about 15 to 20 minutes and you can see that it is really nicely cooked and became soft. The indication of cooking a nice khichdi is sabudana will become transparent after cooking. So once the khichdi is cooked, garnish it with finely chopped coriander leaves or cilantro. Add a generous amount of it. It really gives a nice flavor. Just give it a mix and now we can serve it. So friends, we have served the quick easy recipe of sabudana khichdi and you can see that how delicious and tempting this khichdi is looking. So while serving the khichdi, some people like to add the lemon juice and some people don't like to add it. You can just add the juice of lemon as per your taste or as per the sourness you want in the khichdi. So this khichdi really tastes delicious. Try this recipe and enjoy this khichdi with your family and friends. And if you like this recipe, please subscribe to our channel for new recipes every week and like and share this video as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching.